Hello!
Oh, hi! I'm Ken. How can I help you today?
We're actually new around here. Could you tell us a bit more about the IKEA Jurong store?
Sure, come on in.
Hey, what's that?
Oh, this is a interactive doorbell that lets you know who lives inside.
That's cool.
And if you like it, you can give it a tap right here.
I see. So what do you do around here, Ken?
We serve customers, we inspire customers, and as much as possible, ensure that stocks are healthy for immediate takeaway.
Wow, must be fun working at IKEA.
Yeah, definitely.
By the way, is it IKEA or is it IKEA?
It's actually IKEA in Swedish, but Singaporeans know it as IKEA. And yes, it's awesome working here. The people are nice, the culture's great. And come on, who doesn't love IKEA?
That's true. So how would you define the store in 3 words?
3 words. Let me think. Compact, organized, and spontaneous.
Whoa, check out this place. What's the most insta-worthy place around here?
Definitely this area.
So Ken, what's one question you get asked a lot?
Usually product related, and it's available sizes and colors. Come, let me show you something. This is a shopping tool that lets you know a lot about the product from its sizes and available colors, and it's available across all 3 floors. Isn't it awesome?
Oh, that's cool. By the way, what's a must-have IKEA item?
Definitely the Feka artificial potted plant right here. This adds a little nature to your home, and you never actually have to care for it like a real plant.
Oh, that's good for someone like me. I'm so bad with plants. By the way, how much is it?
Oh, let me show you something. So this is a one-stop kiosk that tells you a lot of information about the store. Like the map of the store, you can even sign up for family membership right here. You can even check the price of it. Oh, $6.90.
Perfect, I'll get one.
Okay.
Thank you.
Welcome.
So where to next, Ken?
To level 4, let's go. Welcome to the Swedish Restaurant.
Smells great. It's a $1 million question, Ken. Chicken wings or meatballs?
Meatballs.
Ice cream or hot dogs?
Definitely ice cream.
What's your favorite meal?
That would be the baked chicken leg because it's only available in IKEA Jurong. So you should definitely come down and give it a try.
Okay.
And one more cool thing is that IKEA Jurong has a click and collect service. They can engage through a QR code or a link and make payment directly. You can even choose the timing to collect your order. So easy with Taobao, right?
Yeah, that's very convenient. Hey, anything exciting coming up?
Yeah, it's IKEA Jurong's first birthday.
Oh, happy birthday, IKEA Jurong! Do you have a special message?
Yes, I love you. Happy birthday.
Am I invited for any celebrations then?
Yes, come please. There'll be lots of offers and giveaways on the 29th of April to the 3rd of May. You're coming, right?
I'll be there.
Alright, great. Anyway, are you ready to pay for your plant?
Sure, let's go. Where are the cashiers?
Cashiers? IKEA Jurong is a cashless store with self-checkouts. Come, do your self-checkout here.
Thanks so much for today, Ken.
You're welcome. See you at the birthday celebration. Bye.